Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these adorable little dragonfly earrings using the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club, the 2-hole beads of the month, and the Hot and Trendy beads of the month. For May, I used their dagger beads and their honeycomb beads. If you're not familiar with the Beads of the Month Club from Adornable Elements, I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy beads of the month and the 2-hole beads of the month. And you can use my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order with them. I will leave the link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have double ones that are $39.95 per month. And they have quite a few other clubs like the Firehole Polish, Gemstone, Seed Beads, you name it. So definitely check out their website and see what they have to offer. And with my coupon code, you can get 10% off. So if you want to learn how to make these adorable dragonfly earrings, then stay tuned. Okay, so to learn how to make these adorable little dragonfly earrings using the dagger beads, I'm using the DGR, the green laser checkered dagger beads, DGR 516 from the Mossy Knoll Hot and Trendy Bead of the Month Club for May. And then I'm using HCJ06, the chiseled bronze pale gold honeycomb jewels. And that's these right here. And then I have some 11-0 seed beads, Miyuki seed beads. I got ones that have a little bit, they have a little bit of kind of like an AB finish on them. So they kind of give a little more sparkle to this. And then I have a black earring wire because I've been loving using the black ones instead of gold or silver or whatever. And then I have some of my Beetle on Wildfire that I'm using. And I'm using white because I already had it on the thread. I'm using like about a wingspan of it. And I think that is it. So I just went, and this is really easy to make. I just kind of went through all this and did this, and it just kind of, I was just, figuring out how I wanted to do this, and it just kind of laid right, so I stuck with it. So I'm going to start with, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, so I did 8 at the top. So I'm going to start kind of in this corner right there and do it like that. So I'm going to do a seed bead, and then a dagger bead, a seed bead, and another dagger bead. And I'm going to do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to do another dagger bead, another seed bead, and another dagger bead, another seed bead. And then I'm going to, let me bring these down a little bit. Kind of dragging them. They're just kind of all falling down here. I want to leave enough of a tail on the end so I don't lose this. Okay, so this is kind of like the top part. Let me get it more into view. More like the top part. Okay, so now I'm just going to I want to make sure that I'm on the right side, and you want to make sure that all of these are going the right way. So let me kind of drag this down just to kind of set it up for you. Okay, so that's that. So now I'm going to do 2 seed beads, and then honeycomb again. Oh, everything always catches on that little corner. Let me get this back up. I'm left-handed, and so I have my mat the way it's laying like that. Okay. The string is so long. I'm going to, just for the heck of it, I'm going to take that and stick that right in there. So I'm kind of nervous. Okay, I think that'll keep it down too. And then just make sure when you're going through the honeycomb that you're doing that. And then do one more. And then the other honeycomb. Let me get this to where it belongs. Every time I start filming, somebody outside starts cutting their grass. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 of these. And then I'm going to do the dagger beads. 1, 2, go all the way down, and then I'm going to get 2 more of these, like this, and then I'm going to turn this like this, and I'm going to start going through this top ones. So now I'm going to go through this one, grab a couple seed beads, and then through this one, grab a couple seed beads, and through this one, and grab a couple seed beads, and then through this one. I'm going to drag all of this through, trying to hold this in place while I do. Okay, so now I'm right here. So now I'm going to go through this one and then back up through a couple of these just to get this shape going. It's hard to do this when I'm trying to show you because usually I'm like, you know, just kind of do it and I kind of hold it and I don't really have to worry about. Okay, so I'm going to go through these really quick. And I'm going to keep that little guard on there so that it doesn't end up going back up into there. I'm trying to go through all of these. Don't want this to end up. Okay. So now I'm up here. I know I have this thing right here. It's dangling. And now I'm just going to start going through these. I hope this hasn't been too difficult to follow because I'm okay. Should be kind of getting into place now. Okay. Yeah, no, it's getting there. Going up through there. And up through 2 more. And then through the dagger bead. And then do the other dagger bead. Like this. It's kind of starting to hold it now. Okay, so now I'm going to go through, and then I am going to tie that and then go through a few more. When you do it yourself, it should be easier for you because you're not trying to show somebody how to do it. Okay, and I'm coming out right through here where I started with this. So now I have these two right here. And I kind of want to tighten that up. So I'm going to take this off. Now there's no gaps or anything here. I'm going to give this a nice tight pull, like that. And I'm going to do a surgeon's knot. And it all comes together. Just follow through the holes. It's really easy. Give that a good pull. So now it's like this. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go up through here. I'm going to go up a few more. And kind of pull it so the knot goes kind of into the other beads. And go through there. Go through there. So I have that. So now I'm going to do, let me take this right here. Let me cut that there. So now I have this right here, and I'm going to do, just do kind of an extra knot right here. I'm going to do a double knot here, bring that through. Now I want to make sure, I just made that a triple knot. Now I want to make sure that, see where that's coming out right there, that it goes down there, because if it goes to the other side, then it won't tie. There we go. Now I'm going to go through the honeycomb jewel again, and a few more of the seed beads. And this will be nice and secure. And I'm going to go down to the bottom here. And come through. Oh. What did I just do here? Okay. I swear this stuff always happens when I'm filming. It never happens when I'm not. And I'm going to go to these two. And then I'm going to go through one of the dagger beads. And then I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'll turn it around to the back. Pull this up. So now there's a couple different knots in there. So we have this. Now I'm going to take BNJewelry's pliers. I'm going to do it so that it's in the front. These are so cute. I'm going to give these away as a gift to somebody, I think. So here are my really easy, looked a little crazy when I was doing them, but my really easy dragonfly earrings. I think these turned out so cute. So use my coupon code BNJewelry10 if you are interested in the Adornable Elements beads. And thank you everybody for watching, and tune in for the next video. I know you're gonna love it, so just stay tuned and it will show up. And all of my information is below, as well as Adornable Elements information. And you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.